Came to public, welcome to MD Square, and you are watching season 1 and episode 2 of Edit Clash. In this series, basically, I am going to pick best artists all over from India and going to compete with them on the specific theme by making some cool edits and illustration posters. If you are new to the channel, go guys, check out our first episode of this Edit Clash with Zaid, and it was one of the amazing episodes. So without further ado, let's move to our second episode. Let's get started. Welcome to Edit Clash. In today's episode, we are going to make something new, and in today's episode, editors have to make an poster for Spider-Man No Way Home using two characters. Yes, of course, the theme of the clash is Spider-Man No Way Home. Editor have to prepare an illustration manipulation poster which should relate with the theme, and this theme is going to be the same of the Spider-Man only, as it is one of the favorite theme for all of us. Time to tell you about the opponent of today's clash. He didn't want any introduction. We all know he's one of the best artists and with most experience in whole Indian artist community, none other than SS Creation. And this battle gonna be so crazy because it is hard for me to compete with such an amazing experienced artist. So I'm going to give my best, don't worry guys. Let's move to the most important part of the edit clash, which is editor rules. Editors have to make an poster for Spider-Man No Way Home using two characters which are as follow. You have to use Andrew Garfield as your main character of the poster, which is Spider-Man only, and you can use any villain from movie Spider-Man No Way Home. Editor must at least use two characters in their poster. Editor can use any device, any software to make his or her edit. Size of the poster must be 2000 to 2500 pixel. We both are ready and so excited to show you our poster on this theme. So now you know each and everything about this episode, each and every rules and everything which I have to tell you about this episode, specific episode. You all are aware about that. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to watch the episode number 1, which was against Zaid, and it was one of the amazing episode. You must check it out, and it's time to start our second episode. So without further ado, let's get started guys. So guys, there come the final output of this battle. Hope you liked our final output. We gave our best to make this final poster out of the given rules, and hope you liked it guys. So it's time to tell you about one by one about our poster, and I will tell about both the poster, how it looks to me, and in second season you will most probably have the opponent guy also to tell about and review our poster also. So but in season 1, as it's low budget, you can understand guys, okay. As you guys know, the theme was Spider-Man No Way Home. So to match with the theme, I added few things which are as follows. At the corners of the poster you can see the multiverse effect, plus I also added bit of the Sandman part so that it will look bit more familiar with the theme. And the most important part, I added that when Andrew was saving girlfriend, means Andrew was saving MJ and he lost her girlfriend, and that memory you can relate with that. So for matching with the theme, I added few things which you can see. Talking about SS Creation poster, it looks too good, as I know he was so better and he was amazing at this work, and it looks also good. If you are true fan of Spider-Man and had played the old 90s games, you can feel the vibe of that game in this poster, okay. So this was according to my review. We both did our best. I can't say anything about this. We both are like neck to neck battle. Again, it is a neck to neck battle. So it's time for you to vote. For voting, you can check my community section where you will find a vote poll option where you have to vote for your favorite poster. And now I'm going to tell you how you have to vote. So guys, the final poster and the final evaluation should be done on the basis of how the poster is depicting the theme. Is the poster is properly depicting the main theme, which is Spider-Man No Way Home. The second part is how much detail you can see in the posters, that how detailed work is there in the poster. Then third thing, the final thing is that the final output. The final output of the poster looks good or not. So these were few tips which you have to remember while voting. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure to drop like button, plus share this as much as to your friends, and comment down your views on our poster so that we can improve in the future. How can I forget the most important part? Make sure to subscribe and open the bell notification so that you can be notified every time when I upload any new video or the new episode of this series. This was the last video of this year. We are ending up with amazing stuffs. Thank you so much for supporting me this whole year, and okay, bye. Meet you in next year with same energy. Till then, take care and enjoy.
I'ma kill this stuff real quick. I'ma go take it to town, cause I gotta be that king in the ring when I'm knocking them out when I'm back with the real. Cause I am just up on the journey. You just know that I'm just going insane.